Imagine waking up in the morning, opening the window, and seeing green trees and the distant sound of wild elephants. Just 400 meters from Waikumbas National Park, there's a really comfortable place to stay, Satwa Elephant Ecologe. And the good news is, there's a 15% discount for those staying between November and December 2025, and a 5% discount on tours from November 2025 to March 2026. Enjoy a wilderness adventure, but still enjoy the comfort and serenity of the jungle. Hurry and book before you run out.